Buya kegima omwanchu muligereri bwegetaseni gensoko TV chinsani sana ibere chabona mugaso ko irali bageli nchi okomanya yagendete gokorekana ase chinsemo a imeyense ya Kenya na nene mono kurwa ase chi county cheito chiagusi Kisii na Nyamira lietaliane ni Innocent Onyango. Mwancho muligereri aba MCA be county ya Kisii nigo barachikumena n'umurayi bw'ense ya Kenya Musike William Ruto eligo chigukwanera amagendero ime ya Gusii. Roboti Ruto gatoronyora sobwikiranu kurwa SSMende akabere ye studio.
Deroga ntwatu arige ikarubungali twabunire bunge mpaka next week eligere tonyoreri baga tuchikomutarire president yetu ya Kenya ali Nairobi. Ebintu bigo toira Nairobi nebintu bigo usikano mwananchi. President tobwate bono ga Kenya neyemo okuruku Musike William Ruto. President ndeteye. Governor neyemo okuruku Simbarati n'abajumbe aba MCA kere ward noyo moyo muroche gaiga na bali nominated ku chipati cyabo. Egento kego toira State House etokogenda tuchikubwati ebintu chipara egetikie ndege epare yanene kogenda mpaka Kablong Chinyagitari chaito Kansas Center Chichiro bono muna boni ge chiro ya Nyambera twaye 350 million president ya promise ge chiro ya daraja 700 million ege tiye tuye stadium 600 million ebinte bina bitota yete koenda kumuboli igege ntokende nko batebi State House no to senge njongwa kana tore tax no mugusi Musike Simbarati igale deputy party leader ye chama ya ODM broad based yeto soete chama yane na inje no ODM party leader yane yaso eto ODM mwaro de bintu byonsi pipi achire luo Nyanza uchioma bei mate gai 2027 neche toboli gunga chame ye mwaso nkinu mwaletire Gusii una broad base ebintu tokoenda kuboli abantu bate batu akorera magoso totagiye dikoboli bate batu akorera magoso so as leaders no Musike masasateba we have to do a decision and the decision to make ikatoka nditubwatia magendero yaba
ranyora chi constituency cheito una especially kuruga ali sinduete bonchari ali bonchari ntobwate problem ye getikirikie ndege na ndento tagetegeti kubuna getigire igo una kiarenge kebe renovated ke nako korani chindege chichinge pia ntobwata mangana machi totagete togende linde torora gose president neto echibese echo pia amangana ye chiro ya ito chiro cheito gakorosi chiro especially no ankuru ali chiro sinkoru chiro yasune kato chiro chite chera boigo amane epara yaito ekorukuru migori idarachase totagete interchange aise daracha mbiri chi accident chabere chinyinge sana ekiagere pare na baya wenerete iche egende baka daracha moja aga ige chi accident yeto konya koba na boige para yaito yakeroka yaitira abantu baita bange akeroto kwenda Nairobi ebina byo bintu bigo toiroro ntagete kotaiba bagusi baito nganto bwate mamo chandons ekiagera chikure chigakare emyaka ebere mutu ndorobisi ngakitogokora etogotiga
Mwanchu muligererio mo likito Wycliffe Orenge nigagendete kubwatia ngane yu na senchire wikerano na tomanyinga inki aba MC abu barubereti ekera bawe chikosoa ase obumenyo obonene bw'umurayi bwense togosoa ase nsemo ya Machakos umugabana bwe county ya Machakos umusikwa wa Vinyandeti ubateneniri abo bisemera 35 we county yu asama mocho yo kubwataniwa n'obukurumi chingaki bari kurusia gose bakurusie bango Musike wa Vinyandeti ni garuro koralioko ase abisi yaye asate abirabo bisabu nigo babere bakurusia malisti yo bolimo na mamochande yo bokurumi.
The following county staff are hereby suspended with immediate effect. Therefore will be required to hand over to the respective chief officer and cease transacting any business going forward on behalf of the county government of Machakos. This is because they have been found capable in one way or another in fraudulent syndicate. This is Purity Kanini, Administration Officer, Joseph Martin Mutuku, Trade Officer, Mary Titus, Lika, Wycliffe Nzeki, Lika, Evelyn Wambua, Cashier, Jacinda Kidhuka, Solid Waste, Mary Ndenya, Esther Mutunga, Bill Hawamboi, Foebi Mbutu, David Witio Mutua, Sarah Katungwa Titus, Evelyn Ndanu Wambua, Helen Muendo, Cynthia Mumo, Charity Mbolu, Dorothy Nzioka Kasiva, Patricia Ndenya Mutisia, Jacqueline Musioka, Meshak Kiminza. All those are billing officers. Richard Muli Mandi, billing officer. Joseph Muli, billing officer. Marianne Bula, billing officer. Alice Mainge, billing officer. Marietta Ndunge Mulandu, billing officer. Esther Mbadha Munyoki, cashier. Clinton Sylvester Mwanya, cashier. Mark Yawadha, revenue officer. Joseph Ndiwa, revenue officer. Joseph Mutuku, ICT. Tony Gige, ICT. Mutuku
Umugavana bwe county ya Machakos ikikia abanyorera abo bisabu na buna kwiguru mwancho muligereri gagendete na basoma marieta yaba bisabu anyariko bagotenie mirimo murayibwense William Ruto otebire ubwo iguru ubwo bugwakanirwa amakabeso yechinse gusechinse kirasorongo rwa Afrika kigwakana gucyasa amakabeso ayu nigare getango kenne asamagedero murayibwense nigaya kwanaya imeyense Ethiopia asabarai akurwa asorogongo rwa Afrika bagendete kumberana iri gukwanera igoro yerire asegikaro ya kabere roboti wa Sensemende ye studio.
When we started this conversation about reforming the global financial architecture, many people thought we were mad, but we were not mad. The world today appreciates that there is something fundamentally wrong with the current international financial architecture. It punishes poor countries with high interest rates and rewards rich countries with very low interest rates. Just look at that contradiction, if I may call it. And that is why we are not keeping quiet until we have this conversation and until we settle this matter of reforming the international financial architecture. Because it is doing a disservice to developing countries. And we must call it what it is. Progressively, these are becoming agents and instruments of a new type of colonialism. We must confront harder truths, including the role of developed nations in illicit financial flows, tax evasion, and the politics of debt restructuring. Too often, restructuring is framed as rewarding irresponsibility. Critics cite the US $100 billion debt cancellation of the early 2000s, claiming renewed indebtedness proves reform as futile. This view, in my very honest opinion, is misguided. The global context has changed. Without Africa's solutions, humanity cannot avert a climate catastrophe. Scientists warn of a sixth mass extinction, the first to be driven by human action. Yet Africa's solutions, from solar power and storage to regenerative agriculture, require affordable.
Mwanchu muligereri omujumbo Kabuchai majimbo Karasinga omomochirio muraibwe kiamagia ODM Raila Odinga asengwa na yayo kuligego tebabuna chibesa chia NGCDF bono nigo chibwenete kurusigwa ase obuteneri bw'abajumbe Karasinga nigo atebire chibesa icho chia NGCDF nigo chialentire amagendero amange ase chinsemo au chebunge semo ya Kabuchai nigo toka imeye county ya Bungoma.
Niulize rafiki mkuu ambaye alianzia CDF akiwa na the late Mzee Kibaki wa Malwa kijana, ndio walianza the first CDF NACA government. Mzee Raila Odinga alikuwa katika hiyo NACA, alikuwa katika hiyo timu. Sasa hii mzee amebadilika akili. Amesema eti CDF eti watoe, eti wapeleke kwingine. Mzee nataka kupatia advice. Wachana na CDF kabisa, kwa sababu CDF inasaidia watu wasiojiweza. Wewe ukisema watoe CDF Kenya mzima, ati iende wapi? Wanafunzi ambao wanasoma through bursary watasoma namna gani? Hizi ma school bus ambaye nimeleta Kapchai, nimeleta school bus za CDF karibu 10, watapata kutoka wapi? Please. Na mimi nataka pia kumuomba mzee, kila wakati unakaa na rais, na ukitoka State House unasema CDF iende. Nataka pia tuchunguze rais. Labda rais anamnong'onezea chini kwa chini, enda pika CDF itoke. Because if you are a friend of the president and you are continuously knocking CDF, we also want to investigate what the president tells you when you are two people.
Tugotigana nenkwana y'omubungo yu ubu yansemo ya Kabuchai abarai babasaye nigo bagoserere guchekogenda busibwe kigambiro na kubasoera bagabana asogotabari bagali kurwe birengereri byabo buna enchire ya moyo korosie budget ye county au abasabu nigo bono bateba bwangoiga nigo barasoere county ya Bungoma ase okutabaigwa ekera bakorosie budget.
Are very determined, and CSRG, this is what we are saying, and we are saying it clearly, that counties should be ready to repeat this process, because we are not taking it lightly. We are going to court because of the evidence we have gathered across the counties to make sure that public participation is really a representation of the interests and the decisions of the people. So from the information we have gathered, for the first time, we are going to court on matters concerning public participation, especially in the budget cycle.
And as the budget cycle continues, today we are using this opportunity to call upon the county treasury of Bungoma and other departments involved to release the outline for the sectoral hearing, because as from 1st of September, a sectoral hearing should have begun. But as we are speaking today, we are not aware of the key dates for sectoral hearing so that our voices, can be heard.
Hiyo ya kwanza ni kuoneshana ni kwenda kotini ili hizi budget process ama CADP ziweze kurudiwa na zifanywe vinavyofaa. Kitu ya pili, tukienda pale kotini italete wale wakubwa magavana na watu wao watajua ya kwamba si mchezo tena na lazima watu wahudumiwe kulingana na katiba ilivyoashiria.
Na omwelio umuliki butambe azi wizara ya magana ya kerero Muske John Tanui otebire serikali nigenderete kubwatisia abasae ilio kwenyorera eng'eri kurwa asubutumiki bwe mitandao abasabu nigo baikiranire asichia bische wizara eyu iligo ikirania okubwataniwa kukoywa ni wizara eyu.
This morning we've had the opportunity to engage Kenya's digital content creators. They requested to meet us at the ministry, the Ministry of Information, Communication and Digital Economy, and to discuss the progress they've made since monetization was enabled in Kenya. We are very happy to have Meta country representative, Mercy Ndekwa, to join us with our team so that we can listen to the digital content creators in Kenya and to be able to respond to some of the issues they have. First, they are very grateful that through the support of our president, the leadership of our ministry, we were able to unlock monetization in Kenya with the
Kenya in seeing how we can support the creative economy, and particularly in terms of ensuring that we support good kind of content that promotes good uses of our platforms, but also ensures safety of those who consume that content, and also the safety of the creatives.
Cutest Kenyan, former husband, that's for the books. Okay, we have had a very productive meeting today morning with the PS ICT and digital economy together with the Meta team. And as creatives, we have had our chance to, air our grievances and give out our opinions on how to make the digital economy better, on how we can improve on our earnings and create a streamlined mode of payment from the Meta team and other digital platforms. We have also discussed very important issues concerning community guidelines.
Wikirabu mwancho muligeri twakomanyiri aliagendete gokorekana kurwa SMS yaitu Yensoko TV na chinsa chigwika 10 Dan Shwares umwaga na chicha komanyi abu nagendete gokorekana na nene mono asibagendete kubwatia enkwana gose emirobiri yaba MC au bakisi au birobiriti kogenda ase inyumba yobora yobane bwense nabukunyara ko bagukurwe birengereri byabo gochaga iga asogotubwatia so mutandao o Facebook Ensoko TV na nene mono yegwikense ya moya magoroba uyu minto Frida Kirubonaba nabagosoma jujumbe chino igoro yesabali yeyu bandarete kogenda ase obumenyo bw'umurai bwense lietaliane ni Innocent Onyango twaro mugasumuya nande gendera kubwatia Ensoko TV.
Bumugusi onye kubwateri ibolyo obosemia gusekero kindi gyonsigoro y'emirobiri yaitu y'Ensoko TV.